Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Tesco Credit Card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin in the address bar at the top of the screen. Soon after you do that, go ahead and type in Tesco Credit Card Login and press enter. From the search results, click on this first link that says Open Banking Login Tesco Bank. In order to get access to a credit card account, you'll need to be logged into your online banking account for a Tesco, so go ahead and type in a username under Online Banking tab. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you've forgotten your information, click on I've forgotten right next to Ushi name. If you want the system to remember your machine name, you can share this Remember You Should Name box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box in chat as you're typing your name and click on the Login button. On the next page, your account will be verified and you'll be asked to enter your password for your account. Simply type in the password correct and finally log into your account by clicking on the Login button. So now to do that, you'll be able to access your credit card account for a Tesco bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. As soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.